Hello, Denny historians and social scientists. This is Ms. Lockenvitz, and I'm here to teach you why movements are so important when it comes to learning new vocabulary. We are going to take 5 of our social justice vocabulary word wall words and practice some motions with them. Now, I just say, you might feel goofy, but no one's watching you and no one's recording you like me, so just let me feel the goofiness. And it really does, research says, motions added to saying the words 3 times or more helps you learn the vocabulary and internalize it more quickly. So believe me, it works. Okay, so let's look at the first word here on the list is anti-racist. So we're going to first say it 3 times. Anti-racist, anti-racist, anti-racist. I'll read the definition. Someone who takes action against racial systems. Racist systems, excuse me. So notice the picture of the students. That's a visual to help you. But we are going to go ahead and show that we are anti-racist with a raised fist. Ready? Let's show the motion and say the word 3 times. Anti-racist, anti-racist, anti-racist. Getting the hang of it? You're doing great. Okay, let's do our second word. There's only 5. Next word is implicit bias. Let's say it 3 times together. Implicit bias. Implicit bias, implicit bias. I'll read you the definition. The attitudes and beliefs we have about a person or group on an unconscious level. So that means when you're not really thinking about it and they're automatic thoughts. So in the image you have someone's brain or outline of a head or brain here with these thoughts in their head. So let's go ahead and just act like we have some thoughts automatically appearing in our head. Implicit bias. Implicit bias, implicit bias. Great. Third word is intersectionality. Let's say that 3 times. Intersectionality, intersectionality, intersectionality. I'll read the definition. The interconnection of categories such as race, class, gender, and sexual orientation, creating overlapping systems of advantage and discrimination and disadvantage. I'll show you the rest of that word there. So let's show how arrows pointing to ourselves like the picture to show that things overlap and maybe even crossing over. Okay? So ready? We're going to say intersectionality 3 times while we're pointing arrows at ourselves. Here we go. Intersectionality, 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 intersectionality. I might have said the word 4 times. Okay, next to last word is movement. So let's say that 3 times. You're doing great. Movement, movement, movement. Now there's different definitions of this word, but listen to how this word is used in social justice. A group of people working together to make a change in society. So let's hold our sign like the picture here of the civil rights era and that we're making a protest. And a protest is a form of supporting a movement. Ready? Movement, movement, movement. And we're moving. Okay, our last word. You're already almost done with these examples. So let's say this word is a pretty high level word, so it's important to really internalize and understand it. So say it 3 times, listen to my definition, and do the motions while we repeat the word 3 times. Here we go. Systemic oppression, systemic oppression, systemic oppression. Systemic oppression, when the laws and practices of an institution create unequal treatment of a specific social identity group. So we're going to go ahead and put like chains on our wrists. Ready? Here we go. Systemic oppression, systemic oppression, systemic oppression. Wonderful job. You have just internalized 5 new vocabulary words. Go ahead and complete the rest of the list. Thank you.